online marketer or an online business owner and you're using video ads to sell your products or services online, then listen, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how to create video ads that produce sales, customers, engagement with a video ad suite software, and how you can start a video ad agency and start making an extra income. My name is Mauli Defo, a digital marketer and founder at socimarketing.com. With all this being said, let's see how you can create a groundbreaking video ads that will get you sales. The software works in 6 simple steps that anyone can follow and create wonderful video ads. So let's see the steps. So step one, choose your platform. Once you are logged in into the software, you'll be directed to the dashboard of the software. Click on the new project button, which is this button, and in the next window, select from the 7 social media platforms for which you want to create your video ad. So these are the 7 social media platform of which you can create video ads for each of these platforms. So second step, choose your placement. After selecting the platform, you will have to choose a video format depending upon where you want your video ad to appear on that social media platform. You will find all the possible placements for 7 available platforms. Third step, choose your template. On the next page, we have several beautiful design proven to convert templates. Select the one which best suits your requirements. There are several templates fit for every type of business. So I prefer this e-commerce template. The software is so simple that anybody can use the software to create video ads. Step 4, upload your images. Next, you have to provide image for each frame in the video. You can either upload your own images or you can choose from over 1.6 million royalty free images that we provide. So I have my product images. So I'm going to use my product images. and add your content. Just fill in the template. So so easy and simple. Now upload your logo. Oh, sorry, it makes sense too. After uploading your images, you select the color that you want to appear in your video. I think I like color blue. Then you go next. That is step 5. Step 5, you select the music that fits your project. If you have your own music, you can upload it here as well. You can play the music and see the ones that you think fit your project. initialize this music. After adding, you go to next. Now step 6, your ad is almost done. Step 6, you press the rendering button for your ad to start rendering. After after clicking rendering, you wait a while like 1 or 2 minutes. Your ad will finish rendering, and after that you can view the ad and you can download it and use it for any projects or your project. Now let's talk about how you can get the software. Now to get the software, we are selling only 20 accounts to people who want to use the software. If you want to use the software for your own business, create video ads for your own business, it's 100 Ghana cedis, and it's one time. When you pay, you get to use the software anyhow you want, and it's forever. You get to use it forever. Secondly, if you want to start a agency, video ad agency with the software, it's 200 Ghana cedis, and it comes with an agency website for your video ad agency, and you also get a free domain of your choice, a free domain name of your choice. You also get free hosting. We give you an agency website, a free domain, a free hosting, and a prospecting video ad for your agency. Let's show you a sample of the agency website that we will design for you if you want to start a video ad agency. So this is exactly the video ad agency website that we are going to give you, and we are including a hosting, free hosting. You're not going to pay any money for hosting. It's included in the agency plan. So you get a free website to start your video agency. So how do you get your account after you send payment, after you make your payment? Now, after you make your payment, when you send your payment, we will send you two links. One link to the registration page, and the other one is a license code that we will send you after you make your payment to activate your software account. And this is how it looks like. The registration page looks like. So we will send you a link to this page to register your account. So when we send you the link, we also give you a license code to activate your account. So when you get the link and the license code, um you just fill in with your details. You enter your email address, your password, and the license key that we provide you. After entering all the details, you click on register. After clicking on register, you'll be instantly be taken to your software dashboard. From there, you can start creating your video ads. Thank you once again for watching the video.